This next one, sticking with Tesla for just a moment longer. It's a little bit more bad news. Never mind the stock, but they had another one of these fatal crashes with the what is it, autopilot possibly being engaged. So first of all, just ignore the guy sitting in the back seat for now, because it's actually two stories in one right here. We got the next story, which will explain this guy a little bit better.
Okay.
Apparently, there is some pressure being raised to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration because of this most recent crash. It was a May 5th crash in Fontana, California, near Los Angeles. It is now the 29th case involving a Tesla that they've responded to. The driver, whose name has not been released, was killed, and another man was seriously injured when the electric car struck an overturned semi on a freeway. The injured man, a 30-year-old passing motorist, was struck by the Tesla as he was helping the semi driver out of the wreck. So some other truck crashes, a big truck crashes. This other guy is trying to help this person out of the vehicle who's been injured, obviously. He is struck by the Tesla, and the driver and himself suffered the consequences. I guess one death. The driver was killed and the other man was seriously injured. Anyway, so this happens with all vehicles. It's obviously bigger news when it happens with Tesla, and Tesla will always cite numbers suggesting like, hey, our numbers are better than the other numbers when people with other vehicles and when they don't have all the technology and systems that we have. But it's inevitable that if enough of these are out there, then this is going to happen from time to time.